Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Ninja blender is probably one of the most powerful and versatile kitchen appliances you can own. Today, we're diving deep into this 1,500-watt beast, exploring its features, and putting it to the test. From smoothies and sauces to crushing ice and making dough, we'll see if this blender lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for your kitchen. Number 5. Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770AMZ. This system boasts a powerful 1,500-watt motor, effortlessly handling all your blending and food processing needs. It makes quick work of any ingredient, ensuring perfect results every time. The 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher is designed to pulverize ice into snow in seconds. It's perfect for creating smooth, creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. It has a 64 ounces max liquid capacity. With the 8-cup food processor bowl, you can achieve perfect, even chopping. It's also capable of making up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. This makes meal prep a breeze. The 16 ounces. NutriNinja Cup with to-go lid is ideal for creating personalized juices and smoothies. Take it with you on the go, ensuring you can enjoy your creations anywhere. The system includes a dough blade and chopping blade for versatile food preparation. Plus, the cups, blades, and lids are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and easy. What we like? This blender is a true kitchen workhorse. It comes with a variety of attachments, including a food processor bowl and to-go cups, making it incredibly versatile. If you have a large family or enjoy making a variety of recipes, this is the perfect choice for you. It simplifies meal prep and cleanup. What people say? The blender is very powerful and blends everything with ease. The Auto IQ feature is a great addition. The blender is easy to clean. Number 4. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. This Ninja blender has a new, modern design and a more powerful motor than the original. It delivers 1,400 peak watts of power, making it a great choice for all your blending needs. The Ninja Total Crushing blades are designed to give you perfectly crushed ice every time. This is ideal for smoothies and frozen drinks. You'll love how easily it crushes ice. With 3 preset Auto IQ programs, it's easy to create smoothies, frozen drinks, and even ice cream. All you have to do is press a button. It takes the guesswork out of blending. Auto IQ technology uses intelligent programs with timed pulsing, blending, and pausing. This does all the work for you. It's designed to make your drinks perfectly. The 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher is perfect for making large batches. It's great for the whole family. The pitcher is also easy to clean. Included is a 15-recipe inspiration guide. It helps you create delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. Get creative and enjoy. The BPA-free pitcher and stacked blade assembly are dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup a breeze. It's designed for your convenience. What we like? This blender offers the convenience of preset programs. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending, ensuring perfect results every time. If you are looking for a blender that simplifies the process and delivers consistent results, this is the one for you. It is ideal for those who want effortless blending. What people say? The blender has a powerful motor that can easily crush ice and blend frozen fruits. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't take up too much counter space. It's easy to clean, with removable parts that are dishwasher safe. Number 3. Ninja BN751 Professional Plus Blender. Introducing the Ninja Professional Plus Blender. It features a new, modern design and a more powerful motor than previous models. This blender is designed to make your blending experience even better. The Ninja Total Crushing blades are designed to give you perfectly crushed ice every time. With 1,400 peak watts of professional power, it easily handles ice and frozen ingredients. You'll get smooth results for all your favorite drinks. This blender offers 3 preset Auto IQ programs. These programs allow you to create smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient extractions at the touch of a button. It takes the guesswork out of blending. Auto IQ technology combines unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. It does the work for you, ensuring consistent results. Enjoy perfectly blended drinks every time. The 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher is great for making large batches. It's perfect for the whole family or for entertaining guests. You can easily make enough for everyone. It includes two 24-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids. This makes it easy to take your delicious smoothies on the go. Enjoy nutrient-rich drinks wherever you are. A 15-recipe inspiration guide is included to help you create delicious smoothies and more. Explore new recipes and enjoy a variety of drinks. Get creative and enjoy. What we like. This blender focuses on health and convenience. It has nutrient extraction capabilities and includes to-go cups for easy portability. If you like to prioritize your health and enjoy smoothies on the go, this blender is perfect for your active lifestyle. It is designed for those who want to blend and go. What people say. The blender is very powerful and blends everything with ease. It has a large capacity, which is great for making smoothies or soups for the whole family. The multiple preset programs are convenient and make it easy to use. Number 2. Chefman Obliterator Blender, crush ice and go. This blender is a powerhouse. It has a 1380W motor that can crush anything in its path. It's perfect for making smoothies or crushing ice. With a 48-ounce jar, you can make enough for everyone. The durable construction even allows for blending hot liquids, just be careful. Forget the guesswork. The auto blend function customizes settings for the perfect consistency. It's like having a professional blender that does the work for you. The dial control panel offers 5 speeds and a pulse option. It also has presets and LED alerts to guide you. It's easy to use and gives you complete control. Enjoy your drinks on the move with the included travel jar. Blend your favorite beverage, add the sipping lid, and you're ready to go. It is convenient and easy. Cleaning is a breeze with 2 options. Use the clean preset or toss the accessories in the dishwasher. The blunt blade design ensures safety without sacrificing performance. This blender is both beautiful and functional. Its white matte finish complements any kitchen decor. It's a 2024 Red Dot Award winner. What we like. This blender is all about power and convenience. The auto blend function takes the guesswork out of blending, and the included travel jar makes it easy to take your drinks on the go. If you are looking for a blender that delivers powerful performance and is easy to clean, this is the perfect choice. It is ideal for those who want a quick and easy blending experience. What people say. The blender is very powerful and blends everything with ease. It has a large capacity, which is great for making smoothies or soups for the whole family. The Auto IQ feature is very convenient and takes the guesswork out of blending. Number 1. NutriChef Personal Blender for Shakes and Smoothies. This NutriChef blender is perfect for making your favorite smoothies and protein shakes. It comes with everything you need to prepare your drinks quickly and easily. It has a powerful motor. The included lid cover makes it easy to take your smoothie with you. You can make your drink and then take the tumbler on the go. It's safe to use on any kitchen surface. This blender includes 2 different sized cups, 20 and 24 ounces. The cups are BPA-free and made from a clear, food-grade material. They are also stain-resistant and easy to clean. The blender has simple button controls for easy operation, including a pulse blend function. It's designed for making milkshakes, veggie juice, and smoothies. It is very easy to use. The blender features stainless steel blades for efficient blending. The blades provide a 360-degree impact for quick nutrition extraction. It comes with everything you need to get started. What we like. This blender is designed for personal use and portability. It comes with 2 different sized cups and a convenient lid cover. If you like to make individual smoothies or shakes and need something easy to clean, this is the perfect choice for you. It is perfect for those who want a quick and easy blending experience. What people say. The blender is very powerful and blends everything with ease. The multiple settings are great for different types of blending. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.